Konnichiwa and welcome to my channel, Unboxing with KJ. My name is KJ and it's truly a pleasure to have you join me today. If it's your first time joining me, just a little bit about myself. I'm a working professional and I love helping other people. I've dedicated my life and my career to helping other individuals, and I decided to use this format in making some helpful videos to help you all out there and to also learn from you with just unboxing different interesting products. And so some of the first products that I've decided to try are home delivery meal services. If you're coming back and you've watched some of my other videos, welcome back, and let's just jump right into it and let's see what I have in my box today. I did already kind of undo it with the scissors here, so you didn't have to worry about me doing that, but let's see what's inside for this week. This week the box is a little bit smaller. This is a three meal option. It was $59.70. The meals with Home Chef are $9.95 a serving, and so for this week I just decided to do the 3 meals. I look at the menu and I kind of see what I like or whatever else is going on with me to where I either order 3, 4, or 5. I don't usually order over 5, and I don't order less than 3, because if you order less than 3 then it's $10 for shipping, and ordering the 3 or more it's free shipping. So let's see what's inside. The first thing is my menus, and so I like to take a look at the ice pack that comes in, and if you like to recycle like I do, it says reuse or recycle. I know a lot of people talk about when you're opening up these meals that it's a lot of extra waste, and as you can see there's this lot of the liner that comes in the box, and these are recyclable. It says cut plastic liner open, dispose of the cotton, and we want to make sure that we recycle here. So let's see, here are the 3 meals I ordered for the week. This is beef and pepper tamale pie, which sounds pretty interesting. I ordered smothered turkey mini meatloaf, the second one. And then the third one I have here is Korean. It's going to be the meat, and so as you can see I do live in a warm climate and the meat kept pretty good, and so when I go through the menu items I'm going to read off and tell you what exactly meat is in here, but the meat is in the bottom of the box. So let's jump right into it. So the first one that I pulled out, or let's see, what should I start with first? Let's start with the Korean pork noodle bowl, and let's see exactly what's in here. But in pork noodle bowl and green beans and Fresno, Chile by Chef Jimmy Madla. A famous comedian once referred to a meal as a sadness bowl. Well, we hate to steal another's material, but this meal could easily be called a bowl of joy. Ground pork and green beans are mixed with lo mein noodles and tossed in a sauce built from teriyaki and gochujang, topped with the unique flavor of cilantro and the heat of a Fresno, Chile. This dish of glee will bring you grins and cheers. No comedy set required. Ha 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 ha. I didn't write it. I got it from the website, so take that up with Home Chef, not me. But anyway, I think that's cute. So here on the back of the card, it tells you actually how to prepare it. And if you stick around with me and watch my video after after this one, we'll decide what I'm going to actually make. If you want to drop something down below about what you think I should make, or I'm open to suggestions as we continue along this journey, but I'm probably going to decide as I unbox with you what I'm going to make, and I want you to stick around and see how it comes out. But with this one, it does have 773 calories to it, and it says it's going to take me about 35 to 45 minutes to cook within 5 days, that it's easy, and that the spicy level is spicy, which I like spicy food. So let's actually open up and see what's on the inside of it. I know I was just sitting here yapping and didn't even actually open up. I get kind of excited when I look at these. And so it comes with cilantro. It's just enough cilantro. And if you watched the videos that I've done before and kind of sharing why I like these, it's just enough food for me. One for 4 or 6 people, then it's going to be enough portions for you for that. So we're going to have the green onion, and then we're going to have the green beans. Green beans look nice and fresh. You like green beans? It looks like I have to like snap off the ends, which I don't mind. I guess that's a little of the prep time. And these little things here that look like straw, these are going to be my lo mein noodles, which I love. I love lo mein noodles. a lot. And then we're going to have the gochujang red pepper paste, which I've had this before. I know this can be a little spicy, and so probably if I do decide to share this with you that I've cooked it, I may or may not adjust the spice because it's a little. I have to watch my tummy with spicy stuff. You know, as we age, we can't sometimes eat stuff we used to eat when we were younger, so I have to watch that. And then I have a red pepper, which this is so pretty. I used to have one of my kitchen set with red pepper stuff. This is so cute. I have a little thing about, not red pepper, I'm sorry, red chilies. This is super cute, but my kitchen was like this. Just have a little thing about that. And then we have toasted sesame oil, and then we have a little teriyaki glaze. So as you can see in the little small containers, it has all of the items you need. And again, these are recyclable. I know we want to be sensitive about waste, or you could use these if you wanted to put something else in it, like if you're going to work and you wanted a little salad dressing to go or something like that. So that is going to be the Korean pork noodle bowl. And so that looks pretty interesting. I may or may not try that one first, but again, I have about 5 days to cook it. So we'll see if I should do that one. Next up, we have the Smothered turkey mini meatloaf, and here's the bag that it comes in. I'm going to go ahead and show you what's inside. Well, before I do that, let me read it. Let's read what it says and show you the picture of it. I think that'd be more interesting. Here's the picture of it. Does that look good? Do you like turkey? Do you like turkey? Ooh, it's not November, but we have a little turkey. Let's see. Oh, that's right. Here's what the handy dandy information says that comes off the website. Smothered turkey mini meatloaf with mashed cauliflower and gravy by, again, Chef Jimmy Matla. Oh man, it's only March. That means we're, looks at fingers. I'm just reading it off the card. That's what it says. Looks at fingers. 8 months away from Thanksgiving, but we want turkey. Makes face, continues in a whiny voice. Now, can there be no resolution to this craving? Shakes head sadly. Yes, looks at recipe. Ground turkey mixed with ricotta and meatloaf seasoning made into a perfect mini loaf. Eyes light up. And it's served with mashed cauliflower and a gravy. That's so like Thanksgiving in form, not flavor. Close enough. Clicks order. Click. I know, it's so corny, but I think it's cute. Kind of helps me get into the vibe of what I want to, order for my food. It's just a little fun. I like that Home Chef does that. And so this particular meal is going to be 553 calories. Here's how it's going to look on the back and preparing it. So let's see what's in here in the Smothered turkey mini meatloaf. We have green onions, and it's just going to be enough again for the recipe. And we have cauliflower, which I just started getting into cauliflower a couple years ago. I didn't traditionally like cauliflower, but looks like it's going to be good. Maybe. Let's see. And we have a little grated Parmesan. And then we have 2 sour creams. Again, remember I'm ordering. I have some ricotta, just a little tiny thing of ricotta. And I have a, let me not mess this up. This is a zucchini. And I have, to finish out this recipe, I have a little chicken demi-glaze concentrate here in a package. And I have cornstarch. And I'm going to have meatloaf seasoning, which, I bet this is good. Now, so, again, I just ordered the 3-meal option for this week. So, excuse me if I'm rattling, making noises with these bags. Let's jump into the last bag. This one is beef and pepper tamale pie. Okay, I think this is going to be it. I think this is the one I'm going to share with you on camera when we eat dinner together. Because I'd love for you to eat dinner with me. I think I'm going to make this one. This one looks good. And boom, just like I thought with the card. Look at it. This looks good. And it says customer favorite, 2 serving shown, which is going to be similar to what I'm going to be cooking, because remember I ordered the 2 servings. So let's see what Home Chef website had to say about this one. This is beef and pepper tamale pie with cornbread-Cheddar crust. Again, this one's also by Chef Jimmy Matla. And it says, rich, savory, cheesy, and lip-smacking to the last drop. Sorry, coffee company. You know, they're talking about Maxwell House. We're taking this to the bank. You'll be making this tamale pie again for friends and family before you finish the dishes from this round. Ground beef is mixed with vegetables and topped with cheesy corn pie, then baked into golden brown. Make room in your recipe repertoire for this pie. Pronto. Ooh, so this sounds pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make this one with you all. This one says cook within 5 days and that it's easy, which it doesn't look like it's easy for me because it's in this pan. So I start getting intimidated because I'm starting to think I don't have a black cast iron skillet like this, but can I still pull it out? I do have a casserole dish, so I think that's what I'm going to use. And the spice level is mild, so it'll be good on my tummy. So let's see. Here's how it's going to look in the back. And I think I'm going to prepare this one first. This one looks really good. So let's go ahead and open it up and see the little ingredients in the bag here, which I shared with you. We have another green onion here. We have some corn kernels. If you like corn here. Okay, Jay, I'm definitely going to want some more cheese because it looks like from the picture and the description, it's saying it was cheesy, but I know I'm going to want to throw some cheese on top of this. So I got to have some cheese on deck or it's not going to work. Like, for real. Yeah, but when I cook it for you, I'll cook it with the cheese that comes with it. But if I have some extra in the refrigerator, which I'm not sure right now, I will throw that on top. But I will cook it as it stays, so you can see. And then we have here, this is a big old poblano pepper, okay? And I'm wondering if I would even use all this because it's probably spicy. And we have some Worcester sauce. When I was little, we used to say Worcestershire sauce. But yeah, this is good. I know it's going to kick that flavor off. And then what else do we have here? I have, I dropped a sour cream. I'm not going to bend down and pick that up, but it's just another sour cream on top. I have 2 of them. And then I have cornbread mix. So I am actually going to be baking. So I have to make sure I have time for it to be baking. Be waiting for the oven. And then I have 2 garlic cloves, and this is some taco seasoning. And so we're going to be seasoning the meat with taco seasoning. So this looks like it's going to be a nice satisfying, meal. And I'm pretty excited about this one. So I think I'll do it first. And let me show you, did I go over the meat with you? That's in the bottom of the bag. Trying to remember, here's the meat that it comes in, and it's still pretty frozen. This is a ground turkey that was in here. Okay, and we have some, and it keeps pretty well. You can see it comes through FedEx with the ice in there. And then we have ground pork, and we have another ground pork. Now, so what do you think? What do you think about the meals from this week? Do you think that this is something that you may order? I hope I was able to satisfy your curiosity. If you're curious about these home delivery service and menu options, if you were wondering what's exactly on the menu, I hope I was able to answer that for you. And I hope that you come back and you watch my video when I actually share with you how I've cooked one of these. I don't cook it on camera. Well, you know what? I'm not going to tell you what I do. Why don't you go ahead and click subscribe, click like if you liked it, I was helpful for you. Share this video with someone else who may be curious about ordering, whether it be Home Chef or another company, to have their as a meal solution for what's for dinner. Or go ahead and add a comment to the bottom and give me some feedback. I like sharing and helping others, and maybe it's something that you use that may benefit me and what I can do to answer the proverbial question that I've been trying to figure out for years of what's for dinner, that I was finally able to have an answer to. So come join me back for dinner. I like to sit down and chat and show you what I've made as I sit down and kind of relax. Sometimes we don't get a chance to sit and enjoy a meal, and I want to be able to do that with you. Again, thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, sayonara.